Beautiful rainy day today. Gonna let our little beauties have some fun out in the pond today. Huh? That's gotta be good. Let's see what we got here. There they go. There they go. I know they love it. Go on. There you go. There you go. You gotta love it, guys. Have fun. They probably won't last an hour and they'll go back up to the house, but look at them. Huh? Where would you rather be if you were a duck? Well, today's February 15th. Yesterday was my grandson Nolan's birthday. He's 9. But look at these guys. They just love it. It's a good day at Pencil's place.